Hello, I'm Tarn, a producer here at Nifty. Today, I am going to try to give Barbie DreamHouse a makeover. I never had one of these as a child, so now that I do have it, I wanted to see if I can make it feel a little more in line with the decor trends that I'm seeing right now. Also, I've heard more than once or twice that millennials just won't buy or can't buy a home, so this might be my only chance to renovate a home. I'm going to start small. My goal is just to completely make over the living room for this video. I'm going to start by gathering some supplies from our prop closet. I love these washi tape that has really fun patterns on them. I even made a swatch because I had a lot of time on my hands, and that's just the kind of person I am. I've seen some very impressive dollhouse videos online. Personally, I have not made anything like this before. I am also not the most patient person in the world, so we'll see. I found these fabric swatches I once got from a couch company. They come in so many textures and colors, and they were completely free. We are going to start by changing the wall color. I am not sure how paint is gonna sit on this plastic material, so I opted for contact paper instead. I chose this concrete for a pretty neutral base. The next project is a rug. We've made a lot of human-sized rug on Nifty, and they're so simple and satisfying, which is why I'm recreating a teeny tiny one for this dream house. This next project is probably my favorite transformation. The pink swing thingy was crying, screaming, practically begging for a boho makeover, so I'm wrapping the whole thing in macrame rope. For the final touch, I cut up a fur bathroom rug for the cushion. I also wanted to change up the couch. It's currently pink and glossy, so I'm sanding it down first. Hopefully this will make the glue stick better. I know from watching Nifty videos that I have to iron fabric before I can upholster anything. But I could not find an iron, and I'm using a steamer instead. Also, I covered the back off camera to hide my poor upholstery job, which, is not the end of the world if you don't wanna. I'm also making some pillows by gluing two fabric swatches together. I'm using a technique I learned from this other Nifty video. This next project was a little ambitious, but previously the TV was sitting on what is also a kitchen island, so I wanted to give it its own stand. I'm using these craft woods to recreate a floor-to-ceiling bookshelf/entertainment unit. Admittedly, this took so much more time than I thought because the leg kept falling off and it still came out kind of crooked. But I'm standing by it and including it anyways. Finally, I needed a piece of art to tie this room together, so I am recreating one of my favorite Nifty videos of all time. So, there you have it, the dream living room all grown up. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite transformation? Should I keep doing this? Which room should I do next? Also, how are you doing? How's your day? How's the weather?